Alright, what's up YouTube? Dapper Dan here. Another beautiful day here in Colorado. It might not look like it, but it's actually really warm out. It's like 70 degrees. It kind of looks better over there. But today could very well be the last day that I ever have this bike. I might be trading it in here in a couple minutes. So we're gonna take the long way because I gotta make a video. And I just filled this up the other day too before I found this deal. Oh puppy, there's nobody there. Are you lost? Oh puppy, I hope you're not lost. Oh, that's sad. I hope he finds his owner. Golly, the poor little boy. Poor little puppy. So yeah, literally I just filled this up the day prior to finding this deal. And obviously I'm gonna make you guys wait to figure out what kind of bike it is, but some of you might know. I definitely have talked about it before. I'll give you a hint. It's another cruiser style motorcycle. And finding that deal, I actually couldn't have come at a better time either, because to be honest, I was starting to get a little tired of this bike. Oh gosh, that hurt. Yep, that's one reason. Golly, that hurt. Ow. That's one reason I want to get rid of this bike. Golly, that rear suspension is killing me. Killing my back. Don't get me wrong, I mean, it's a good bike, but it would be best to use this bike around town. Like me, I've been using it for commuting. I've owned it for almost 2 years now, and I've put, let's see, 7,000 miles on it in the last 2 years, and it would have been way more than that if COVID didn't happen. Then I would have been commuting to work every day during the summer. Hey, we got some Groms. Nice. They look like they're having fun. But yeah, so it would have been way more miles if I had been commuting on this bike every day like normal. It probably would have been, I put on 14,000 and it would be at 30,000 miles right now. But because COVID happened, I didn't put as many miles on it. But so back to my point, I was using it for commuting. And just having like the hardtail and the Springer seat is not that great for commuting. If it's a flat stretch, or I can't talk today. If it's a flat stretch of highway, it's not too bad. But like, and obviously turns aren't that bad either. But you just feel every bump in the road on this thing. The Springer seat helps a lot for sure, but not enough. I was definitely starting to get tired, and with this bike, it's got the feet all the way forward, and you're like lean forward because of the drag bar, which looks great, but it's like, I don't know, it feels rougher on my back. But anyway guys, short little video letting you know I'm gonna be cruising in Right now I will include a sound clip of the new bike, and we'll see if anybody can guess it. It is a V-twin. We'll put the sound in right now. Alright you guys, here's the sound clip right here. Here is the ignition sound. Sounds pretty cool. And then I'm going to move it over to the exhaust. Alright, here you go. Alright, there you guys go. Leave your guesses down in the comments. That was definitely a cold start, so you should get a pretty good sound. Alright, hopefully you guys leave your guesses down in the comments what you think it is. I know it needs an exhaust. It's too quiet. But that'll be probably on the way. That'll be one of the first mods for sure. If you guys like today's video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. Leave me a comment, let me know what you think. If you really like the video, share it with a friend. And if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching and have a good day. Can't wait to hear your guys' guesses in the comments.